Hello everyone. Today I will show you why your YouTube Shorts RPM is very low and how to improve it in 2026. Many creators notice earnings drop even when views are stable. And it's usually related to audience type, content, and ad placement. First, understand what RPM is. RPM means revenue per thousand views, and it's calculated based on ad impressions, watch time, and audience geography. Even if your shorts get views, low RPM can occur if most viewers are from regions with lower ad rates. Next, content type matters. Advertisers prefer brand safe, informative, or niche content. If your shorts are too casual, repetitive, or trend-based without advertiser-friendly themes, RPM may stay low. Then audience retention affects RPM. Longer watch time increases ad impressions. If viewers drop off quickly, fewer ads are shown and RPM drops. So focus on engaging high retention shorts. Also, posting frequency and diversity help. Mix monetizable content with entertaining shorts. A variety of shorts increases ad relevance and can boost RPM over time. Finally, optimize metadata and engagement. Titles, descriptions, and hashtags attract relevant viewers. Engagement like likes, comments, and shares improves performance signals, which indirectly helps revenue. So yeah, low RPM usually comes from audience location, content type, retention, and engagement. By improving these factors, you can gradually increase your YouTube Shorts RPM in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.